Today on David Can Make That, I'm going to show you 3 ways to drill holes at a consistent depth on your drill press. Now there's many reasons you might want to drill a whole bunch of holes over and over again at the same depth. Whether it be because you're trying to mount magnets into a picture frame to stick to a refrigerator, or just for some dowel joinery. The first common method is to take a piece of tape and wrap it around at the depth that you want it to go. And then when it spins, you can see right when it gets down to as far as you need it to go. And you can do multiple different passes and get the same depth. As you can see, the tape spinning around tells you when it comes into contact with the wood by brushing off the wood particles. Another method that works particularly on Forstner bits like this one, where the masking tape method isn't really a good option, is to take some whiteout and go about the depth you want, or a little past it, and put it on both sides. And then while it's still wet, immediately turn it on and go down to the depth you'd like. And hold it there for a second. And then when you come back up, the whiteout is going to dry and it's going to have a perfect marker for you to get the same depth of hole over and over again. Alright, the third and final method I'm going to show you is to go to the hardware store or on Amazon. There will be a link below for these, and get some shaft collars. They're a couple bucks each, and you can get them exactly to the size of the drill bit, and you just put the shaft collar on there and use your Allen wrench to tighten it. There we go. And then you can see there it's spinning along with it, and then it's just the collar's gonna stop you right at the perfect height every time. This is one of the best methods in my opinion, one of my favorites, because this is just gonna be the exact right height every time, and you don't even have to eye it. It'll just stop it when it gets there. I hope you found these tips useful. If you did, please go down below and give it a thumbs up. Also, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell button so you can be notified when I come out with further tips and DIY videos. I'm also going to have a link below for the shaft collars if you're interested in those. They're super helpful if you're trying to drill consistent holes. And as always, thanks for watching.